right here on this ground where we are standing, holding dreams with open hands.
Well, as beautiful as it is down here, definitely a story to tell. So we are in St. Lucia and we sailed down from Fort de France and Martinique. In Martinique, we sailed down today. The engine cut out, so we thought, well, let's turn it off and see what happens. Engine couldn't get started again. We lost the engine, we lost power, we lost everything, and we had to be towed into the marina in St. Lucia here, where we are today for the next few days. So beautiful place, extremely nice people, very expensive to get that towed in, but they had to bring us in because we had no more power. So we had the sail and it got us into the harbor and then they picked us up. Always something, I tell you, with the Gerhardt brothers. Amazing, still love it. A little bit of stress, but that's pretty normal. Anyway, we'll see what happens next on our tour. I don't know if you can hear it, but another boat was just towed in. It's a sailboat, lost power, lost the engine, same as us, but they need to pull it out of the water. They had a leak. They were sinking, so now they're safe. I'm glad they made it, but they are literally a few meters away from where we are now, laying in the harbor, so in the marina. Man, they were lucky. Good to see, extremely nice people, helpful. But yeah, that's what it is. There's definitely some amazing boats around here. Look at that mega yacht here. It's actually across from us. Our boat is here, the Yucca, and sorry about the wind, but that's, I have to invest into a proper microphone. But here we are for the next few days. Here's our boat. Look at the fish. We made it to the beach. I was able to fly the drone. Of course, again, did not see where it was flying. It was hard to see on the screen like it's right now. Actually, the phone is hot, so it turns down the brightness. But as you can see, it's a beautiful day here in St. Lucia. We're still here, still trying to get the engine fixed. So we'll see what happens, but I think it's gonna be, they found the problem. A screw was sucking air or letting air into the engine. So apparently that's what the problem is with the diesel engine that we have on the boat. Without that, we really can't go anywhere. So St. Lucia it is. Can't complain, can you? It's beautiful here. Here are my brothers. Hello. It's gorgeous. Aber der Arsch passt miteinander.